Hello students, welcome back. Once again, this is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am and we are currently doing notice writing. With my class 8 students, I am doing topic number 2 of writing section, which is notice writing, and before that we have done email writing. So students, I am telling you once again, in notice writing, in your fair registers, you are supposed to do all the questions which you get in the home assignment in the video lessons, as well as the sample exercises which I am explaining you in the video lessons. Both the things are supposed to be done in the fair registers by you. And in email writing, after doing the definition, format, key points, you can write just 2 questions in your fair registers. Either you can do any sample question or any homework question, but all the other homework questions which you are getting in the description link should be given to me, should be sent to me in the email ID provided to all of you. Coming back to notice writing. So students, in all the previous videos regarding notice writing, what all have we done? Let us do a quick recap. So students, we have done definition, key points, purpose of writing, format of writing, and all the common things which are required, isn't it? And then we have done 4 kinds of sample exercises in notice writing. We have done notice for any general event, notice for any competition, notice for any lost item, and notice for any found item. So students, in today I am going to wrap up this topic notice writing with all of you, and we are going to discuss some more key points. Rather, these will be points to remember and keep in mind while doing any kind of notice. Whenever you will attempt any question of notice writing, if you will keep all the points which I will discuss today in your mind, you will give the best of best answers. So please have a look at your screens and try to grasp all of them. And once again, I'm telling, if you will have any problem, what are you going to do? You're going to talk to me. You're going to discuss it with me in the comment box with your name, class, and section. That's right. Don't forget to write these details. So students, you know what? I got to know that on your school website, a new competition has been announced. Isn't that even more exciting now that the summer vacations are almost coming close to you? Before that, we have another competition. So please students, it is my request to all of you, go on the school website and check out the details about the new creative competition which has been announced on the school website. And coming back to notice writing, let us keep on eyes on the screen. Points to keep in mind. Number 1. Details from the question should be picked up smartly. That is, name of school or competition, or date, time, venue, or issuing authority. That means students, whatever information question is giving you, make sure you are mentioning in your own answer. Otherwise, you know what to do. Number 2. In case any of the necessary detail is not mentioned, then you are allowed to use your own details. For example, if writer of notice is not there, use your own name, or school of name is not there, use your own school name. Number 3. Give maximum details about the item in case of lost and found item notice. For example, color of that item, brand or shape, or what all is present there. Make sure you are giving the maximum details. Number 4. If details for lost or found item are not given, use your own imagination to create details, as it gives bonus points for creativity. Number 5. In case of notice for any general event, always mention day or date, time, and venue. For example, if it is a meeting, any special assembly, any workshop, or any blood donation camp, etc. Number 6. Undersigned means the person who is writing the notice. That is you. Always mention the designation. For example, it can be head boy or head girl, or any class captain, or any sports captain, etc. Number 7. For further details, contact undersigned. This line should be used as the last line of your content or body of any notice. Number 8. In case of lost item noticed, you can add any reward for the person who finds the lost item. Number 9. In case designation is not given, you can simply write name, class and section of your own. Number 10. Designation. Now what does this word mean? Designation means official title or rank. If you are a head boy, head girl, class captain, sports captain, these are your titles or your designation. Number 11. In case of any competition notice, it is useful to mention the winning reward to make it look more attractive. For example, medal, trophy or prize. Last, always make the box after finishing the whole content. Now students, you can look at your screens and these are your 2 questions as the last home assignment for notice writing. Question number 1 and question number 2 both are having different kind of details. So make sure that you understand the requirement in the answer and do your answers accordingly in your fair registers. I hope notice writing was enjoyed by all of you and there is no confusion anymore. Okay students, well, from my side I have tried my best to cover all the important details and the information which we require to understand for doing the topic notice writing. But still, if there is any confusion in your mind regarding any small detail which you want to understand before writing your answer, please feel free to leave it in the comment box with your name, class and section. But make sure you are watching these kind of videos where all these important points are given to you again and again, because in one attempt you cannot grasp all of them. So please re-watch them as you have the benefit of video lessons, and keep liking, sharing and subscribing to all my videos. Students, make sure that you all are my subscribers, because you never know what kind of new video will be uploaded on the website or on my YouTube channel. Okay students, please go in the description box and find the link where the home assignment is given, and home assignment already you have seen on the screen as well. So please make sure that after you have done the work or whatever you have understood or whatever you want to discuss with me, you are talking to me through the comment box with your name, class and section. Okay students, take care. Bye bye. I hope to see you soon.